Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Artistic Intention Studios. So I've been making all of these fun resin jewelry components, and I just thought I'd show you a quick and easy way to make a necklace. I love these resin balls. So it's very easy to make a little necklace. I like putting especially the bigger ones, I like on a long cord or chain. I put this one on a long leather chain. I think this is about 24 or 26 inches. So it's very simple. I will show you what I use. First of all, I take the piece, and you see it's rough at the top. So I just use like a jewelry file or sandpaper. Sandpaper is great, and you can use a progressive grit and get it down to the really fine grit and make it really nice. Or I can use my jeweler's or my lapidary wheel also. But we try to file that down. This one's not perfect by any means, but at least it's not jagged, and it looks okay. So once we have that done, and in some cases like this I don't know if you can see it well or not, but I did use a file, and so it's kind of like rough and white, and it really shows up on this clear excuse me. So this one I will go to the lapidary wheel and try to make that shiny again like the rest of it. But we can just take these tiny little eye screw things. These come with some of the molds, so I've not had to replace them yet. There's several in a package, but it's just a tiny little eye, and then it has a screw attachment, and you just literally screw it right into the center. And it's hard to get it started. I'm not going to actually do it because I don't have one ready. Yeah. So then once that is done, then I just cut the leather. I buy my leather on these spools, like so. You can get them many different places. The Hobby Lobby and places like that even carry them. And there are many online stores. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon or anything else. So I use leather. And then I make my own little hooks. So I take my wire. And I just use round nose pliers. Make a little loop. You want to make sure that the wire is strong enough that it's going to maintain that loop. And I just clip it off. And there's a little loop. I don't know if you can see that or not, hopefully. I am all thumbs, I can't. There we go. Like so. And I do make sure that I file the ends, because the last thing you want is a customer that has a sharp clasp digging into the back of their neck. Then in the same fashion, I also make a hook. Like so. I usually use like a 20 gauge wire. I use sterling silver or copper because that's primarily what my jewelry is made from. So, and then you just bend the cord over and wrap it with a smaller gauge, one that's easier to bend. Wrap it around a couple times and crimp it down. And then I like to take these little pieces of cord that's sticking out here and just snip them off. Makes it look a little cleaner, a little bit more professional. And there we have it. A nice little clasp. Everything is filed smooth, so it's not going to stab the wearer in the neck. And then this is nicely attached. It's a fun necklace. Yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this little tidbit. It's one way that it's one of the simple necklaces that I make, so I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for hanging out with me. Leave some comments in the comment section below. That'd be awesome. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And come back to see me again real soon. Till next time, guys.